Hey y'all, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I don't know if I'm more excited to trade in my shoes today or because college football is starting this weekend. But we are on board Boston Whalers 320 Vantage. This is the range topper from their dual console line, and it is always a fun time. I run this boat every opportunity that I get, and one of the perfect examples of why this boat is so great is the bench sitting right on my knee. Easily 3 people wide. If you've got chillins, it's 4 people wide. And you don't have to worry too much about sunscreen because you've got one of SureShade's amazing electric sunshades right over your head that covers the entire cockpit on this boat. And you know what? I'm glad we came to the cockpit because for those guys who don't want to give up their fishing days but want to make mama happier, look at the size of the cockpit you have back here. You've got 2 fish boxes, one on either side. This one, easily 60-inch Wahoo can go in there. You've got a bait prep station right here. Don't tell mommy you're using it for that. You've got a bait well right there. Easy, everything you need. You've got storage under all the seats. All your systems are below the floor. And of course, whether you need it in the way, out of the way, or how you want to go, Boston Whaler has this awesome chair that pivots all the way 180 degrees to face backwards if you guys want to hang out. Obviously, this boat wouldn't be complete without a head, and while we're not going to climb into it today, on the starboard side, right in front of the console, you've got a full wet head with a freshwater shower. And since we're talking about the console, this boat is equipped with Mercury 350s, so 700 horsepower total, and Mercury's absolutely amazing joystick system. That gives you skyhook, that gives you heading hold, gives you everything you could hope for out of a boat this big to be worry-free. Obviously, as the camera is going around, you're seeing we've got a full enclosure. This boat has one. Rough day, or you want to push your window for boating, this boat will do it. On cold nights coming home, you need to keep the family warm. Full glass windshield takes care of you. And obviously, I'm standing in a bow that's about as big as anything on the market right now. It gives you all the room, and you've even got cell phone chargers, 12-volt outlets, everything you need for the kids. So folks, this is Boston Whalers 2019 320 Vantage, and I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. When you guys want to trade in your shoes for a little time on the water, come see us. We'll talk to you soon.